Hello children! Once again, welcome back to our Yummy Times. Children, can you see? In front of me, there are so many yummy things. Over here, I've got Oreo biscuits, melted chocolate, coffee, sugar, milk powder, choco chips and slices of bread. Can you guess? What are we going to make? We are going to make a Oreo pudding. So, let's get started. So first we are going to take some bread slices and with the help of this glass we are going to take out round cutouts of the bread like this. See? Like this we are going to take out the round cutouts. We'll do same with the other bread. See? Now we are going to make a mixture of coffee and sugar. And also some chocolate. I am taking a pinch of coffee to which I am adding some sugar. A spoon of sugar and some chocolate sauce. Now to this I am going to add some water. We'll mix it well. See children, this is ready. Now we are going to take the Oreo biscuits and separate the cream from it with the help of a spoon. Like this. See children, I have separated the cream from all the biscuits. Now I am going to make the biscuit dust from this biscuits. See children, we have crumbled the biscuits. Now in a separate bowl, we are going to make a mixture of biscuit cream and milk powder. I am adding the biscuit cream and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Now adding some water, I am going to make a thick paste. We'll add little water at time. Children, for more such videos, you can check out our series and please do subscribe to our channel. See children, we are going to make a thick paste like this. Now let us start with the serving also. We are going to take a glass and to the bottom of this we are going to place the bread slice like this and we are going to add some syrup that we had made. The mixture of coffee and chocolate. We are going to soak this bread like this. Now to the top of this, we'll add one more slice of bread. Again, we'll repeat the same thing. We'll soak the bread nicely. Now, the extra part that is left is we are going to add this biscuit crumbs. We are going to mix this with the coffee syrup that we had made. We'll mix this well. If needed, we'll also add some water to this. We'll also make a thick paste of this. See children, our thick paste is ready. Now we are going to add this on top of the bread. We'll try to do it as neat as possible. Like this. It's going to be really very tasty children. You all will love it. Now on top of this we are going to add the mixture of milk powder and the cream that we had made. Like this. And now we are going to add our favorite, that is choco chips. We all love it, isn't it? You can add as much of chocolate chocolate chips, or you can also add chocolates or some different decorations that you want. So children, our Oreo pudding is ready.